Hello everyone and welcome to Botswana. This amazing landlocked country in southern Africa is a true paradise for animal lovers. Here nature is the boss. Botswana works hard to protect its wild places and all the incredible animals that live there. If you want a real African safari adventure, Botswana is the place to be. From the moment you arrive, you'll be surrounded by amazing creatures. Botswana's parks and reserves are huge and open, giving you the best chance to see animals in their natural home. Imagine floating down the Chobe River watching elephants drink, or picture yourself seeing lions hunting in the Savuti Marsh. These are just a few of the unforgettable things you can experience in this wildlife wonderland. Botswana isn't just special because it has lots of animals, but also because it has so many kinds of animals. It's home to over 500 types of birds, making it a birdwatcher's dream. From big, powerful eagles soaring in the sky to bright, colorful bee-eaters flitting through the trees, you'll see new birds every day. Get ready to be amazed by the sights and sounds of Botswana's feathered friends. Botswana's landscapes are just as amazing as its wildlife. It's like a beautiful tapestry of different habitats, each with its own special charm and animals. The Okavango Delta is a huge inland delta, a maze of rivers, lagoons and islands. This green oasis is home to tons of wildlife like hippos, crocodiles and lots of birds. Further south, the central Moremi Game Reserve is totally different. This dry, desert-like area is home to animals that can survive without much water, like oryx, springbok and the mysterious brown hyena. The Magadigadi pans, old lake beds that are now shimmering salt flats, are like something from another planet, and Chobe National Park, famous for its huge herds of elephants, shows you the classic beauty of the African savanna. Imagine wide-open plains dotted with acacia trees, where giraffes gracefully eat leaves and zebras graze in huge groups. Botswana's diverse habitats mean every safari is a new adventure. Botswana has some of Africa's most famous animals. The African elephant, the biggest land animal, roams free here. Watching these gentle giants hang out together with their babies splashing in the water is a truly amazing experience. The lion, king of the jungle, rules the savanna. The leopard, a master of hiding, is harder to spot but just as impressive. Botswana is also a safe place for endangered animals like the African wild dog and the cheetah, the fastest land animal. Seeing these amazing creatures reminds us how important it is to protect them. The African buffalo, with its big horns, is another impressive sight. These huge plant eaters graze in big herds. Botswana's biggest animals are awesome to see, showing us the raw beauty and power of nature. Section 4. Hidden Wonders. The little things that matter. While Botswana's big animals are often the stars of the show, the smaller creatures are just as interesting. The dung beetle, a tiny but important recycler, helps keep the ecosystem healthy. These busy bugs collect animal poop, roll it into balls and bury it, which adds nutrients to the soil. Meerkats, small mammals known for living in groups, are also fun to watch. These clever animals live in underground burrows and work together to find food and keep their babies safe. Botswana's insects are also amazing, from colorful butterflies fluttering around flowers to beautiful spiderwebs sparkling in the morning dew. There's always something new to see. Even the tiniest creatures are important for keeping Botswana's ecosystems healthy and balanced. Section 5. Guardians of the Wild. Botswana's conservation legacy. Botswana is serious about protecting its wildlife. The country has strict rules against poaching and spends a lot of money on programs that help local communities protect animals. These programs have been really important for keeping Botswana's wildlife safe. One great example is the Botswana Rhino Relocation Program, which has brought black and white rhinos back to the Okavango Delta after they were almost completely wiped out by hunters. This program shows how much Botswana cares about protecting its natural treasures. Botswana also works with other countries to protect animals. It's part of several international agreements to protect endangered species and stop wildlife crime. By teaming up with its neighbors and organizations around the world, Botswana is a leader in protecting wildlife, both in Africa and globally.